going on, gang? Welcome back to How It Works. I am your guy, Nerdy, here once again, and I'm bringing you how some things work over here at ElevenLabs. And yeah, so today, if you clicked on the thumbnail and you want to make your own theme song, or you want to create a intro to your show, I'm going to show you how to do that right here in ElevenLabs. Also, too, just want to let you guys know, if this is your first time to the channel, like, subscribe, share, do all those wonderful things. Listen, I do everything by the playlist, so if you want to know exactly just how things work and how great they are, you'll only get suggestions for how things work, right? And so at the end of the video, you'll see that all of the cards that will come up through the video will be basically to how things work. So for these videos, it will all be ElevenLabs. So check it out. You see what it says? It says, "Good morning, Nerdy." Listen, I have burned through my credits. I'm not gonna say I've burned through them, but I've been doing a lot of work over here, trying out some things, and I wanted to come back and show you guys. Okay, so simple here. So we're here on the creative platform, and what we're going to do is we're going to go right here to music. So last time I think I told you guys, like, I really hadn't dived into the music journey, right? But easy. I figured some things out, and I've created a couple of projects, as you can see, as recently as 3 days ago. So this is going to be me showing you guys how to create your intro to a show or a musical theme song, however you want, right? Me personally, 2 variants are always good, but you can go up to 3, you can go up to 4. Me personally, I'm just going to leave it at 2. I'm going to leave the duration at auto, and then there's instrumental. If you just want it to be an instrumental, you can do that. Me, I'm going to want some words in there. So just to describe my song, right? So I want so just click here, describe your song. I want a upbeat. I want an upbeat song about grilled. I want to say a grilled cheese sandwich. A sandwich, and how better than a peanut butter. That's what I want. I want an upbeat song about a grilled cheese sandwich and how it's better than a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'm just going to generate this, and I want you guys to see, okay? It's going to do the work for you. There's a chorus, there's a bridge, there's an outro. This one is 1 minute and 24 seconds, or around about a minute and 30 seconds. So once it's played, you'll see. And at the top up here, as you can see, included styles: pop, upbeat, fun, catchy, humorous, bright, and energetic. Exclude styles: slow, minimalist, sad, acoustic only, and dark. So we don't want any of that, of course, right? And as you can see, let's see this. Let's see. We only charge for regenerated sections. Okay, so not bad. So here we go. This is the verse, and let's see what it gives us.
I used to spread the jelly, peanut butter too, sticky fingers, lunchtime booze. Then I heard a sizzle, cheese began to melt, that golden glow of flavor felt. No sandwich contest, but my taste buds know when that cheddar's melting. Watch my hunger grow. Grilled cheese, you're the king on my plate. Better than PB&J, don't make me hesitate. Crispy edges and that gooey stream, you're my golden dream, my cheesy dream. The butter's fine, but it sticks around. Gooey greatness all over town. But melt that cheese on buttery bread. say goodbye, 'cause sunshine spread. Say, baby Jet, I'm just pure real cheese, and I'm singing along. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Grilled cheese, you're the king of my bread, better than PB&J, don't make me hesitate. Crispy edges and my gooey stream, you're my golden dream, my cheesy dream. Grilled cheese, you make my heart ache. Melting love, I just can't fake. Hold you close, I'll never leave. You're my golden dream, my cheesy dream.
Wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. So that's the first variation of it. It gave me an upbeat song about a grilled cheese sandwich and how it's better than a peanut butter sandwich. Wow. So this is cool. So you can get as creative as you want to with this. The beauty of this also too is like you can come in here and you can actually change if you wanted to. You can come in here and you can change the outro or whatnot, right? So if that's what you wanted to do, you can change the outro. You can change the lyrics. So if you wanted to write the lyrics yourself, you can get in here and you can do that as well. That was variation 1. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm curious about what variation 2 sounds like. And not 9 times out of 10, it's not the same lyrics. I will tell you that. So I'm just gonna hit the play button on that just so that you guys can see. But listen, ElevenLab is not only just about voice changers, sound effects, text to speech, building AIs, but you can do other cool things like this. Even if you've seen this intro to this video, even though I kept it very simple, is just a simple intro, simple sounds. All of it was done with ElevenLabs. So instead of you trying to go out there and figure and pay somebody, you can actually do this yourself, and it takes just a little time, and that's fine, right? That's what you want to do. You want to take a little time and you want to put your spin on it. You want to put your deal on it. So I want to hear, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but I want to hear a little bit of variation to what it sounds like. So I'm going to push play and you guys tell me which one you actually think was the better song.
I used to spread that jelly on white bread and peanut butter dreams inside my head. But then I found that golden cheese, now the magic bringing to my knees. Bread to bread, we grill it right, butter sizzling in the light. On sticky fingers, no regrets. Grilled cheese wins, you'll never forget. Grilled cheese, oh, it's the best deal. Warm and gooey, that's how we feel. PB&J's got nothing on this thrill. Take a bite, you know that we win. Peanut butter stuck to every bite. Jelly slides, it's just not right. But when that cheddar is pressed to toast, hear the fans we raise our toast. Grilled cheese, oh, it's the best deal. Warm and gooey, that's how we feel. PB&J's got nothing on this thrill. Take a bite, you know that we win. Say goodbye to sticky goo. Flip it once the cheese comes through. Golden crust is all on the plate. Grilled cheese party and we celebrate.
Okay. Oh.
Cheese. Grilled cheese, oh, it's the best deal. Warm and gooey, that's how we feel. Nothing on this thrill. Grilled cheese, we keep it real.
All right. Okay. Now it's done. Okay. Listen, guys, I'm going to keep bringing you videos about the cool things that you can do in ElevenLabs. I think this is actually cool. I think being able to create your own theme song, being able to create your own anthem, and then being able to come over here and change the lyrics to exactly what you want. And of course, right, you can add and change these exclude ad styles to things that you want. So yeah, I think this is pretty darn cool. This is something that 11 Labs, like for those creators who want to have that full control over how everything sounds, 11 Labs gives you that opportunity for you to be able to do that. So yeah, this is a whole golden dream grilled cheese anthem that I created right here. Just telling 11 Labs, hey, I want an upbeat song about a grilled cheese sandwich and how it was better than peanut butter and jelly. Listen, you heard variation one and variation two. Get down in the comments, let me know. Listen, also too, down in the description there is going to be a link. That link, please. If you want to try 11 Labs, click on my link. It helps out the channel a bit. It helps me continue to put out this type of content, and I'm gonna keep making it because everything that I find in here that's cool, I'm going to do it hands down, no question asked. I'm gonna create a video about it. But I want to tell you thank you if you made it this far in the video. I appreciate you. Remember, there's always room for everybody here, everyone under the umbrella. And until next time, I thank you, and I'm out.